It is. Oh, you want me to say it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you ready? Okay. So this machine we bought 10 years ago, maybe more. It's still working. We've never had any problems. It's still the same laser tube from 10 years, and we use it a lot, as you can tell. Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
And
Yeah,
that's
it's still the
machine.
same laser tube. Can you believe it?
Okay. And that machine.
Yeah. What do you want me to say about this one? Oh, yeah, this is our plate steel machine. We cut on it maybe every second day for a couple hours. We've had it for about 3 years. We've never had any problems. Rock solid. Had to change the protection lenses a few times, but that's about it.
Okay.
These?
It's a tube laser cutting.
Yes, tube laser, yeah. All these. You do fun things. Fun things.
Okay. So let's.
Anything else? If you did send someone here to see this stuff, we could, we'll clean them first.
Okay.
If we do love them, obviously we bought 3 machines now.
This is another tube laser. Ram Design purchased the third tube laser. Okay.
Yep. Happy Canadian customer. Here's some parts we just cut. Square holes and tubes. Cuts very fast. This part's probably done in about 1 minute.
It's very nice factory.
Thank you. Thank you.